Known for its majestic beauty, Andaman and Nicobar Island is famous holiday destination. In holiday, everyone has limited time, so here in this blog, we have curated a list of some of the best places to visit in your Andaman trip. Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a place to some of the most amazing tourist destinations in the world. It is a destination famous around the globe among tourists. You can visit this beautiful place with your friends, family, kids, or partner. Andaman attracts a huge crowd of honeymooners. Let us look at the must-visit places in Andaman so that you don't miss out on beautiful locations. While exploring Andaman, here are the 8 top must-visit places in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Port Blair. Port Blair is a beautiful place to explore and spend some days of your trip in. The light and sound show in the cellular jail, popularly known as Kala Pani, is very popular among tourists. You can visit Corbin's Cove Beach and an excursion to the Jolly Bui Coral Island. Witness the beautiful marine life at the Jolly Bui Island while performing adventurous water activities like scuba diving or snorkeling. Havelock Island. Havelock Island is a must-visit island in Andaman and Nicobar. This island is filled with various beautiful beaches, offering you a huge variety of activities to enjoy. The 2 most famous beaches on this island are Radhanagar Beach and Elephant Beach. Enjoy mesmerizing sunsets on Radhanagar Beach. And if you are a water sports lover, visit Elephant Beach. You can try scuba diving, snorkeling, sea walking, etc. activities on this beach. Baratang Island. Devote 1 day of your Andaman and Nicobar Island tour to Baratang to witness some amazing natural wonders. You can visit the popular and less crowded limestone caves and the mangrove creek on Baratang Island. They are just a boat ride away from Baratang Island. On returning to the island, don't miss to visit the mud volcano near the Baratang jetty. Overall, this is a beautiful and peaceful place to spend quality time on your Andaman tour, as the huge wave of tourists does not crowd it. Kachil Island. Kachil Island in Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a beautiful one undisturbed by the eyes of many tourists. The forests of Kachil Island are home to pythons, black monkeys, pigs, long-tailed parakeets, and many more Andaman special species. You can visit this island to witness amazing sunsets and sunrises. Chidia Tapu. Chidia Tapu is the ideal location for catching sight of the most beautiful birds in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is a scenic beauty, attracting a huge wave of tourists, especially for enjoying mesmerizing sunsets and sunrises. You can also perform some adventurous water sports like scuba diving and snorkeling on the beaches of Chidia Tapu. If you are a trekking lover, you can try trekking to the Mundu Pahad while exploring this island. Ross and Smith Island. Visit these twin islands of Andaman, quite popular around the globe. They are a must-visit when you're enjoying a holiday trip to Andaman. These 2 islands are joined by a sandbar, on which you can enjoy a nice walk. These islands are home to all of Ridley Islands, which you can witness while exploring the marine life at Ross and Smith Island. Neil Island. Neil Island is a beautiful place to spend your holiday. The white sand beaches, beautiful marine life, and corals make it a must-visit place in Andaman. Howrah Bridge, Sitapur Beach, Ramnagar Beach, Natural Beach, Kalapathar Beach, Laxmanpur Beach, and Bharatpur Beach are some of the beaches you can explore on Neil Island. Don't miss out on trying scuba diving in Neil, as it serves as one of the best diving sites in Andaman. Maya Bunder. Maya Bunder is a worth visiting location in the Andaman Islands. It is a perfect location to relax in the lap of nature, away from all the world's madness. Karmatang Beach, Interview Island, Rampur Beach, and Avis Island are home of the major attractions of this place. Thank for watching, take care and wait to see next video.